Hi there, this is Carl at Scan Pro Video, and in this series of videos we're going to demonstrate using different Syrp products together from start to finish. In this video we'll be starting with the Magic Carpet Pro. To set up the Magic Carpet Pro, first attach the end caps to the slider by unlocking the track locks on each end and sliding into place. With the end caps on, you can adjust the legs by unlocking and turning into place using the indicator to make sure they're all level. To attach the camera, screw the quick release plate into your tripod head, ball head, or we're using the Syrp pan tilt bracket for this. If you're using the Magic Carpet as a slider, there's a flywheel button on the side for when working with heavier loads. And you can adjust the tension using the dial under the quick release plate. Make sure to watch our next video where we'll go through setting up and using the Genie 2 linear with the Magic Carpet. And you can check out the Syrp products at Scan Pro Video.